To be the last time, baby, that you ever doubt this heart of mine beats for you. So let's go, only somewhere we know.
Happy birthday, Joaquin! Sana lumaki kang mabait at may takot. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Joaquin! Sana paglaki mo, sumunod din lagi sa magulang mo at mag-aaral ka mabuti.
Hi, Joaquin! Happy birthday! We wish you all the best, good health, and happy life. And just remember, we're always here for you. Love you! Sana lumaki kang maayos!
Happy birthday, Waki. Be like me paglaki mo, ha? Mabait. Happy birthday, Waki, boy. Happy birthday, Waki. Tropa na.
Hi guys! So, it's been a few days after Joaquin's first birthday. So, he's here. Say hi, Joaquin. Say hi. What are we going to do for today? So, we'll be trying to... No, we're not trying. But we will be opening his gifts from his first birthday. So, Baby Daddy is not here kasi nasa work siya. And we didn't have some time na para ma-open yung gifts na nandito siya kasi medyo busy yung schedule because we take turns lang. So, right now, i-open namin yung Joaquin! Wow, are you excited? So, by the way, Here are the gifts. So, right now, let's open this first one. So, this is from Luna family. Thank you. Wow. This one. So, it's at 1 to 20 count and quiz quill. Yeah. Next, again, from Luna family again. Thank you ulit. Dalawa yung gift na binigyan nila. Okay, open it. Like this. Wow! It's another toy. Mega Blocks. Wow, you have a lot of toys. Wow! Next, we have here Tito Marco. Uncle Rich Boy. Uncle Rich Boy, Tito Marco. I'll open it for Joaquin kasi I don't think he's interested in opening the gifts. He doesn't even understand it yet. But I'll do it for him. Wow! Wow, it's a busy board. Oh, it's a Thunder busy board. Buti na lang di ko siya binilan nito agad. Kasi inisip kong bilang very helpful daw to. Yes, wow, is it pretty? Oh, you have a lot of toys. Wow! You like it? I think he's enjoying it. He's too curious. There's a lot of colors. Wow! So, oh. So next we have here this one, Mega Blocks din. But honestly, hindi ko alam kung kayo ito galing kasi wala siyang nakalagay. Pero kung kayo naman ito galing, thank you so much sa gift kay Joaquin. It's a Mega Blocks. Wow, we have a lot of toys. A lot of toys that Mami will clean up. Oh, this is from Ninang Misha and Ninang Tom. Grabe, ang dami ng laruan ng mga bata ngayon. Parang ng mga panahon ko, mga laruan ko, kaldero lang. Ngayon, ang dami ng mga gantong toys na parang sobrang helpful sa mga learning nila. Pero dati talaga, hindi naman ako nagkaroon ng gantong toys, pero lumaki naman ako ng madaming alam, no? Nakakatuwa kasi parang ang dami na palang iba't ibang toys right now na pwedeng ibigay sa bata. Kasi before, BB dolls, Jolene, Pogs, Tex, mga ka-1990s, yung mga laruan namin. So, amazing. Iba na talaga ang generation ngayon. Sabi niyo ako, Mommy, what are you trying to say? This one is from Tita Dar. Yeah, it's from Tita Dar. And it's, wow! So, it's a Rascal Sensitive Wipes. Meron 3 piraso. Nice. Kailangan ni Joaquin mga wipes na ganyan. So, thank you so much guys for supplying. Next one, we have from Ate Samara. Thank you, Ate Samara. Nice. So, it's a 2-piece set. Wow! It's a Nike shorts and a Nike t-shirt. Na 2-piece set. Thank you so much! And then this is from Tommy and family. I think it's Ate Gege's gift. And Kuya Mike, thank you po. Thank you so much. It's a Polo Ralph Lauren. Alright. So, yeah, it's a cap. Wow! Pogi naman. Wow, pogi. Pogi niya. Ayaw naman isuot. Pogi, Wow! Thank you so much! Next, meron itong ang laki niya. So, pull-ups diaper siya. Isang box. Thank you, Tita Casmere, for this one. Magagamit to ni Joaquin. Definitely. So, yun. May mga nag-gift talaga ng diapers, which is, right now, I think, okay siya nag-gift kasi magagamit talaga ng bata. So, yan. Pero yun, good thing na nabanggit ko na parang if mag-gift sila ng diaper, make sure na yung sizes is, parang medyo malaki na para hindi naman maliliitan. Kasi sayang naman kung maliliitan, di ba po, Joaquin? Oh, come. You still have a lot of gift here, oh. And then, wala na yung kasama kong mabitin. And then, next thing is, wow! Kasi wala na namang pangalan, no po. At balot na balot pa ito ng duct tape. Ano nga? Oh my God. Wow, come here! I think this is from Ninong Erickson and Ninang Novelin. I think walang battery. Pero ito yung nauusong cactus. So, I'll take a video kung ano yung magiging reaction ni Joaquin to this one if may battery na siya. Wak, look ko! Have you seen this one? Or is it your first time? Wow! What's that? Ugly? Ugly or pretty? Come on, touch it. Wow! Next one. Oh! This is from Tita Gracial. Ninang Gracial. Wow! So this is a real field potty training. Yan. So definitely magagamit niya to, most especially 1-year-old na siya. So in few months, ito-train na namin siya na sa toilet mag-CR, of course. Para the earlier na gumamit siya ng toilet, the better. Pero no pressure, of course. Pero yun. Thank you, Ninang Gracial, for this one. Ano ko na to? Kasi kasama nila akong bumili nung binili nila to. So, this one is a box of wipes. So, ito yung ginagamit talaga ni Joaquin. Ito yung binibili namin sa kanya sa Costco. Kasi sobrang sulit na. Tapos ang dami niya ng wipes sa loob, which is makakatipid. So, thank you, Ninang Eliza, for this one. And Ninong Daylighting. Thank you for the gift. Madami ng wipes si Joaquin. So, Mommy and Daddy doesn't have to buy it anymore. Thank you! Ako, you have a lot of wipes. Look, huh? You can poop a lot. And pee a lot. Because you have a lot of wipes, oh. Say, thank you, Ninang Eliza. Thank you, Ninang Dale. Alright. And then last, we have here, diaper to. Alam ko na din to. Kasi binili namin to ng magkakasama. Wow! Clap your hands! Clap your hands! So, sorry, anak. Excuse me. So, matagal-tagal magagamit ito ni Joaquin. I think it will last him 2 months. So, sa dami ng diaper, ilang months kami hindi bibili ng daddy niya. So, thank you guys. Thank you sa lahat na nagpunta sa birthday ni Joaquin. And thank you din sa lahat ng gifts. As I've mentioned sa invitation, it's not required. But thank you pa din for gifting Joaquin this stuff. Surely magagamit niya to. So, thank you so much. And of course, my mother, thank you for the cash gift for Joaquin. Joaquin, say hi. Look at the camera. Say hi. Wow, Joaquin, look at mommy.